Good morning, students. In today's video, we will study software engineering ethics. And if we talk about the ethics, ethics is behaving in a honest and ethical, responsible way. So software engineers must behave in ethical way, in a honest way, so that they are respected as professional. Ethical behavior is more than simple upholding the law, but involves the following set of principles that are morally correct. First is confidentiality. Without any confidentiality agreement, the engineer should respect the clients or employers and maintain the confidentiality of the software design and whatever the requirements they should maintain all the details confidential. Competence. Engineers would have the competence to complete the uh, taken work. They should not take the work which is out of their competence. Means they should represent the correct level of their competence, what is the level they are having and what is the required level, and they should take only the work which is under their competence. Engineers should be aware of intellectual property rights of the local government, so that they should, such as patent, copyright, should be ensured that intellectual properties of employers and clients be protected. Computer misuse. Software engineers should not use their technical skill to misuse other people's computer. So these are the basic four rules of ethics. The Software Society in US has cooperated to produce a code of ethical practice. Members of these organizations sign up the code of practice when they join. The code contains 8 principles related to the behavior and decision made by the professional software engineer. Nowadays, computer has a role in every industry like commerce industry, medicines, education, entertainment, and society. So if software engineers who maintains their ethics, they can contribute a lot to the society. In a in opposition, if they use their, they misuse their talent, and then they can cause harm to the society. So software engineers should use all their talent, all their knowledge for the upliftment of the society. And now we come to the ACM oblique IEEE code of ethics. So this code of ethics uh, about the joint task force for on software engineering ethics and professional practices. There are basically 8 principles. One is public. Software engineers should consistently do their work in the public interest. They should maintain. Second one is client and employer. Say they should work in the interest of their client and employer. Consistent work. Product, they should ensure that the product and related modification should meet the highest professional standards. Judgment, a software engineers shall maintain integrity and independence in their professional judgment. The software engine next is management. The software engineer should manage properly the software, uh, and for the software development and maintenance, all approach should be managerial approach for the software development and maintenance. Next is profession. Software engineers shall advance the integrity and reputation of the profession consistently. Colleagues, they should respect all their colleagues. Next is self. Software engineers shall participate in lifelong learning regardless of the practice of their regarding the practice of their profession. Now let's about one case study in which we can show that how the software ethics of the software engineers can affect the society. For example, there is a insulin pump control system that collects the data from blood sugar sensor, calculate the amount of insulin required to be injected, and based on the calculation, the rate of change of blood sugar levels, send signal to the micro pump to deliver the correct dose of insulin. Safety critical system, as low blood sugar can lead to brain malfunctioning, coma and death. High blood sugar level have long-term consequences such as eye and kidney damage. So for creating these type of software, the software engineers should maintain all types of ethics, and there should be proper validation and evaluation before implementing, before these softwares come into actual execution. These are the activity flow chart architecture of this insulin pump hardware architecture. And this is the activity model of insulin pump, in which blood sensor analyze the sensor reading, that is blood sugar. Then compares the insulin. If insulin is very less, then insulin doser became activate, and its compute pump commands, pump data, and insulin is pumped into the injected into the body. So this type of cases, if the software engineer doesn't maintain the ethics of software, then it will be great a loss to the society. And for the similar videos in software engineering, please click the description box, in which I have created the complete playlist for the software engineering subject. And friends, if you liked my video, then please if you like my video, then please subscribe my like my video, and subscribe my channel.